Have you ever considered the complex financial structures that bring to life the magnificent sports stadiums and arenas we see today? Major sports venues are primarily funded by institutional investors, including large pension funds, university endowments, sovereign wealth funds, and private equity firms. These sophisticated investors are attracted to sports infrastructure for several key reasons. They seek stable, long-term assets that often generate predictable cash flows, sometimes for decades. Unlike more volatile public markets, investments in physical infrastructure like stadiums can offer a hedge against inflation and provide consistent returns over an extended period. This aligns perfectly with the obligations of entities like pension funds, which need to ensure steady growth to pay out future benefits. The investment typically involves a combination of debt and equity. Institutional investors might purchase municipal bonds or other forms of debt issued to finance construction, effectively lending money for the project. Alternatively, they may take an equity stake, becoming part owners of the venue or the operating entity. These arrangements often involve structured deals that grant them a share of revenues from events, concessions, naming rights, and other income streams generated by the venue. A crucial aspect driving this trend is the classification of sports venues as attractive infrastructure assets or alternative investments within a diversified portfolio. This allows institutional funds to allocate capital to real assets that are less correlated with traditional stock and bond markets, thereby enhancing portfolio stability and risk-adjusted returns. Understanding the role of these powerful institutional investors reveals that the modern sports venue is not just a place for games. It is a carefully structured financial asset that provides long-term value and stable returns to some of the world's largest and most patient capital allocators, underpinning the continuous evolution and growth of the sports industry.